Greetings, fellow explorers. Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo, your compass to the world's most fascinating destinations. Together, we will traverse the globe, uncovering the hidden gems and iconic spots that make our planet so incredibly diverse. Today, we're setting our sights on a country known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking landscapes. So buckle up as we embark on a thrilling journey to the heart of South America. Without further ado, let's hop into Argentina. Our first stop takes us to the Argentine Pampas, home to the Gauchos, the Argentine cowboys. The Gauchos are as iconic as the vast grassy plains they inhabit. Their culture is a unique blend of native traditions and Spanish colonial influences. These horsemen of the Pampas are known for their incredible horsemanship skills and their deep connection to the land. The Gaucho lifestyle is one of solitude and hard work, often tending to herds of cattle in the sprawling grasslands. Their distinct attire, which includes a wide-brimmed hat and bombacha trousers, is not only functional, but has become a symbol of Argentine identity. Historically, Gauchos played a pivotal role in Argentina's fight for independence in the 19th century. Their courage and resilience have made them legendary figures within Argentine folklore. Today, their legacy is celebrated through festivals and rodeos, where Gaucho skills and traditions are showcased. As we leave the Gaucho culture behind, we venture further south into the breathtaking landscapes of Patagonia. Welcome to Patagonia, a region where the elements collide in a stunning display of nature's power. This vast wilderness, stretching across southern Argentina and Chile, is home to a unique array of wildlife. Here you can find guanacos roaming freely, condors soaring in the sky, and even pumas stealthily stalking their prey. But Patagonia's beauty extends beyond its wildlife. Massive glaciers such as the Perito Moreno dominate the landscape, serving as a chilling reminder of nature's icy grip. These glaciers, with their brilliant blue hues, are a sight to behold, especially when chunks of ice calve off into the surrounding waters with a thunderous crash. For the adventurous souls, Patagonia offers some of the best hiking opportunities in the world. Trails wind through stunning landscapes, taking you past towering mountains, shimmering lakes, and dense forests. From the icy wilderness of Patagonia, we journey to the world's southernmost city, Ushuaia in Tierra del Fuego. At the very edge of the world, we find Tierra del Fuego, the land of fire. An archipelago split between Argentina and Chile, it's a place where the sea and mountains meet in a dramatic clash of elements. This is where Ushuaia, the southernmost city in the world, resides. It's not just the end of the world, but a beginning, a gateway to the icy wilderness of Antarctica. The landscape here is raw and untamed, a testament to nature's power and beauty. Majestic mountains, expansive forests, and icy waters create a breathtaking panorama that lures travelers from around the globe. Ushuaia, with its unique location, serves as a reminder of our planet's vastness and our place in it. It's a city on the edge where every view is a postcard, and every moment is a memory in the making. From the end of the world, we climb to the sky-piercing peaks of the Andes. Rising high above the clouds, the Andes cradle Aconcagua, the highest peak outside Asia. A grand spectacle of nature, the Andes course through 7 countries stretching over 4,000 miles. They form the world's longest continental mountain range, delivering breathtaking vistas and diverse ecosystems. Nestled within this colossal range, Aconcagua stands tall, dwarfing other peaks with its towering height. This majestic titan, reaching an astounding 6,962 meters, is a beacon for mountaineers from around the globe. It whispers a siren song, calling to those who dream of conquering the highest peak in both the western and southern hemispheres. The journey to its summit is a test of endurance and resilience, a trek through varying terrains and weather conditions. But the reward? Unparalleled panoramas that etch themselves into the soul, a triumphant sense of accomplishment, and a deeper connection with the raw beauty of our planet. Descending from the heights of Aconcagua, we arrive at the thunderous spectacle of Iguazu Falls. Prepare to be awed by the sheer power of Iguazu Falls, a natural wonder straddling the Argentine-Brazilian border. Imagine a colossal curtain of water spanning nearly 2 miles, plunging with a deafening roar into the abyss below. The mist rises, painting rainbows in the sunlight. Iguazu isn't just a sight to behold, it's an experience, from thrilling boat rides at the base to panoramic views from the walkways above. Leaving the roar of Iguazu Falls behind, we now head to the marine wildlife haven, Valdes Peninsula. The Valdes Peninsula, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a sanctuary for marine wildlife. Here you'll find an extraordinary array of creatures making their home. Southern right whales breach the waters with a majestic grace, while colonies of sea lions bask on the sun-drenched shores. The sight of Magellanic penguins waddling about is nothing short of delightful. This peninsula truly is a testament to nature's grandeur and resilience. From the wild coasts of the Valdes Peninsula, we journey to the bustling cityscape of Buenos Aires. Buenos Aires, the Paris of South America, is a city that never sleeps. Its rich architectural tapestry, a blend of European elegance and Latin American passion, is a sight to behold. The city pulses with the rhythm of tango, an intricate dance that tells tales of love and loss. And let's not forget the vibrant food scene, where sizzling asados and empanadas reign supreme, and where dulce de leche desserts will have you coming back for more. From the bustling streets of Buenos Aires, we delve into the history of one of Argentina's most iconic figures, Evita. Evita Perón, a symbol of hope for the poor and a cultural icon, is an integral part of Argentina's history. Born into poverty, her rise to fame as an actress and later as the First Lady resonates with the Argentine spirit of resilience. Advocating for labor rights and women's suffrage, she left an indelible mark on Argentina's social fabric. Even today, her legacy lives on, inspiring millions around the world. From the historical figure of Evita, we move to the passion that unites all Argentines: soccer. In Argentina, soccer is not just a sport, it's a way of life. It's the heartbeat of the nation, the rhythm that pulses through every town, city, and village. From the bustling metropolises to the smallest rural communities, you can hear the echoes of cheering fans, the excited chatter of match analysis, and the shared triumphs and heartbreaks of the beautiful game. Legends like Diego Maradona and Lionel Messi were born and nurtured here. As we leave the soccer-crazed streets of Argentina, we close our journey with a sense of fulfillment and excitement. What an incredible journey through Argentina we've had, from the rustic charm of the Gauchos, the untamed wilderness of Patagonia, to the end of the world in Tierra del Fuego. We've scaled the majestic Andes in Aconcagua, felt the power of Iguazu Falls, marveled at the wildlife in Valdes Peninsula, soaked in the vibrancy of Buenos Aires, and felt the pulse of Argentina through Evita and soccer. Thank you for accompanying Traveling Kangaroo on this virtual adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to Traveling Kangaroo. Follow us on our social media channels and visit our website travelingkangaroo.com for more exciting journeys. Until next time, keep exploring.